this is Andrew. I want to share some of my thoughts this morning. And really, what is one of the hardest things about trading? And now exemplifies this, well, for me at least. It's not doing something. It's being patient. When you deem that the markets are more favorable than others. If I look at it now, and I could be wrong, that I look at, we have a dichotomy where the Dow is going up, the Nasdaq's going down, a lot of tech weakness, don't like the interest rates that are shifting. I don't like all the optimism. I don't like all the margin debt people are borrowing in order to buy stocks. So to me, this exemplifies one of the hardest periods. It's like that fear of missing out. It's sitting on your hands. And on one level, because I'm running our own money, or my money, my money, whatever, my money, and my wife's managing her money with our property business and all of that. I don't have to answer to anybody. I'm not being a mutual fund that I have to be invested at all the times. I think the risks potentially outweigh the performance, and I want to almost do like a proof of concept. I'd like to see the Nasdaq strengthen, which at the moment it's not. It's dancing around the 50-period exponential moving average, which I don't like. So what am I saying is, introspectively, is I've learned to be patient when things line up. When they line up, is what I mean is I look for that honeypot where the 20-period exponential moving average is greater than the 50. That means things are trending, stocks are trending upwards. That's what I'd like to see. And, the choosing not to participate, it's really tough. Like, you're thinking, am I missing out? I mean, I'm looking at some stock setups. I'm looking at, let's say, Alphabet. It's setting up. I'm also looking at Microsoft, where it looked to take out and it, break out, and then it kind of failed a little bit. So it's not clear to me. So it's important aspect of trading and investing not to do anything sometimes. You don't have to do all the time. And what I've learned over all the years, and I've been doing this since 1994, is that it's suboptimal. It's not optimal to trade all the time. You got to pick your spots, and patience is a virtue. And this is really what I wanted to discuss about this morning, which I believe is one of the hardest things, and everything is based on rules. I mean, my long-term stuff, there's no issue. The shorter-term stuff, it's an issue. Should I be in? Should I be out? Things are not clear to me. And when they're not clear, sitting on my hands. So that's hopefully my words of wisdom to you this morning. Thank you, and have a great trading, great investing, and also trade with a plan. If you don't trade with a plan, you're going to lose money. And it's very easy to lose money. This is solely educational. These are only my opinions to try to help you become a better investor trader. Thanks.